Hi, my name is Nathan with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free label on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for a free printer upgrade, contact us today. We are here for all of your printers and office supply needs. Today we're going to look at this Canon MP530. The problem we're having with it is when the scanning, making copies from the document feeder is leaving lines or smudges. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and if you notice, there's two pieces of glass here. This is for the scanner bed, this is for the document feeder. So we're going to clean it off using glass cleaner and a lint-free rag. We're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the rag itself and not on the printer. We're just going to get all the stuff off of it. So once it looks good, we're going to close it up and we're going to put test copies through it. And if they look good, then you're done. If not, you're going to repeat this process until they look great.